What up, guys? Holden,
Nick,
hey Cole.
IowaGearHeadz here. We're gonna have Cole describe a little bit as to kind of what we're doing today. Got some new parts in. Gonna do some stuff. There you go.
All right, guys. So, as we explained in an earlier video, we were getting ready to redo the fuel system. And when I say fuel system, I don't just mean like, oh, we're changing the filter. No, we're doing tank, fuel sending unit, fuel pump at the top of the motor, and all brand new lines. And we're still currently waiting for our straps and our line. Fuel lines to come in. We chose steel line. We were gonna go with copper, but we didn't want something that soft. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna check out our parts out here. Oh god. It's the man in blue! What? Hey! Hey! Go back here! Get back here! Hey!
Oh. Alright guys, he got away. But you know,
man in blue got away.
We'll get him next time.
We'll get him next time. Let's check out these parts real quick.
I got this. I got the tailgate. So,
we good. We just got our tank back from getting coated. And it's not line X, it's an XS thing. So it's all coated, top to bottom. We're waiting on frames. We got our parts in for the precision fuel pumps. We got our fuel pump here. So the thing about this is a lot of stuff now is electronic fuel injection. Let's see if I lose any of the parts here. Electronic fuel injection. So this is a mechanical fuel pump. It goes up on the top of the motor, or the side of the motor. This one particularly gets mounted like this at the front right of the block. And it drives off of your cam lobes to get driven for the pump. And then this here will be our hanger sending unit in the tank. Sucks in through here, and you got a breather hose and a return hose. I don't remember what that's your ground and your power for the hanger. Sweat bees in Iowa are horrible. We'll go see if Holden found out where the fuel pump is. Find the pump up there?
Yeah, I found the pump.
That way we can show the kids what fun they're missing out on.
Well, we're gonna get you guys to see this because it's down, way down here.
Right where the light's focused on.
Right where that light? Yeah, what Cole said. That's the mechanical pump that we have to get out of there and replace.
That'll be fun.
That will be grand time.
It'll be a grand time. So, with that, we're gonna go and drop the hanger and all of its seals in the tank. That way we have it ready for when our straps and our line come in, and then from there we'll go through and run a new line up to the carburetor, the fuel pump, all of it. All of it. All of the sauce, babe.
You saw him though?
Oh wait, I found a man in blue.
You saw him?
I found a man in blue. Look,
found him?
You're right here. You're right here, the man in blue. See this? There he is.
Case solved. We'll get back to you guys.
Our new fuel tank. Look in there. Look in there.
Hello?
You see in there? Yeah, look in there.
Hello?
There's the fuel sending unit. And now we got it. Is man in blue in there? Hey! Hey!
Man
you
in
in
blue.
there? Man in blue in there?
Hang on.
Oh, get the
Spotlight.
light in there. Spotlight in there.
You see him?
Yeah, no power.
Hey, there's a blue wire.
Oh, there's a blue wire.
Oh, he's been in there.
Dang.
He's
Man
been in
blue,
there.
Man in blue's been in there. So, we're going to take and put the fuel tank away. I mean, here's what this stuff is supposed to look like, alright? That's what it's supposed to look like. Nice, new. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how gross that is. There's the ground there. Pull our plug here. See that? There's your plug. Look how nasty that is. Got everything sealed off, so if we want to run it, we can run it and move it.